Imagine stepping onto shores where giant tortoises lumber through lush highlands. Blue-footed boobies perform their unique courtship dances, and marine iguanas bask lazily on ancient volcanic rocks. Welcome to the Galápagos Islands, a breathtaking archipelago celebrated for its evolutionary marvels and pristine, untouched landscapes. Here, crystal-clear waters invite you to snorkel alongside playful sea lions, graceful sea turtles, and vibrant schools of tropical fish. Each island offers a new adventure. Hike across otherworldly lava fields, explore dense mangrove forests teeming with diverse wildlife, and witness the raw power of active volcanoes continuously shaping the terrain. The local cuisine is a true delight, featuring freshly caught seafood such as ceviche and grilled lobster, infused with unique island spices and flavors. Beyond its natural wonders, the Galápagos stands as a global leader in conservation, with dedicated efforts to protect its fragile ecosystems and rare endemic species. Every visit supports the ongoing mission to preserve this living laboratory, ensuring future generations can experience its unparalleled magic. This is where adventure, discovery, and nature unite in perfect harmony.